Hello, welcome back to a new video of Bloxburg. Today I'll be showing you my cafe. I'll be upgrading it in Bloxburg. So we this is my cafe. I'll show you. I'll just sell it and I'll give it from the back. Someone came said vote for my houses, and then I said you have to buy from my cafe if you want me to vote. And then he said please give me one coffee, and then I put it in the table. I said take it. He said never mind, my kid joined. That's so bad. Wait, let's open build mode. Open sign. Where is the open sign? Decorate. SRGN. Is it down? It's opened. Exit now. Okay. Opened and closed. As you see, this is my cafe. It's so small, but I'll be making it bigger next time. Now let's go see some people. Please go to my twins channel and like and subscribe. It's so good. He makes very good videos. Ooh. What is that? That's cool. Or what? No, I think it's... What is that? What is that? Wait. Hello. Ah! The alarm! What is that? Can you open the door, please? Can you open the door, please? Can you open the door, please? Should I let him in? Who's inside? Hey, lovely. Who are you talking to? Can you open, please? I'll give you money. I'm serious. No. He said leave. Oh, I'm not okay. Okay. This is my car. I bought the $18,000. I can't. Where is it? Who is he talking to? Maybe he's weird. Weirdo. Let's go to my cafe. Oh, my cafe's here. So good. Maybe people say, hello, can I have 3 coffees and 1 pizza, please? And then I say, $7. And then he will give me. It will be the best one ever. Thank you. As you see, my nose is the worst. I don't have a bed, or a shower, or anything. What? Me? Yeah, what? What? I have to buy you... Okay. I have to buy you a bed. Let's go work. Is it open? Shall we make it open or close? Maybe at the night I will open it. I'll use it, the car, then go to it for my work. Actually, wait. I just finished something. It's still like the door, near the door. Nothing's here. What is this? This is maybe it. I just go ask people, do you want help? Okay, oh, who's that person? Oh, him. Hi. Okay. Oh, thanks. Why, man? Please. Please. Come on, man. You have to say things. Come. What did you say? I'm fine. Did you say I'm fine? I'm coming. Because I don't need. Okay, bye. He's angry. What is your job? My job is a cafe. This is my cafe. It's so tidy. Maybe someone comes like, "Hey, you! Can you give me some coffee?" I say, "No. You are so rude. I'm calling the police." Then I say, "Let's go look at the other neighborhood. I'll work. I'll get money neither." Or how is he saying? That person. I will work till I get money needed for what? Okay. Let's see. For what? No houses are here. Gosh, man. Us three are playing only, man. I should leave and join another one, okay? Because there's only three. This map has, this server has 3 players that are playing. I'll go to my cafe now. As you see, this is me driving. This car's good. The moon is nearly down. When it comes the morning, I'll open my shop. Let's close it now. It says open. Let's close. Sorry for that. Let's go in my car. And that man. Wait, can we put our car in his swimming pool? So funny. Fine. Sorry for that, man. Can you help me? Can I live here? Please. That one's so good. Where is that man? Can I open the door? Open the door. Open the door! The alarm. Go! Okay. He's so angry. Let's join another server. No. What is this? No, let's go here. Welcome to Bloxburg. Bloxburg. Bacon hair has gone wild. No, it wasn't. Hey, Roblox. The other video, I'll show you. I'll build the house for you. Join the server. Loading. Come on. Quick. Quick, come on. Loading, 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 everywhere, loading now, everywhere, waiting for game. Wait, WAITING space FOR space game. And now it should work. 1, 2, 3, go, work now. Bloxburg is the best. Come on, work. I said Bloxburg is the best. Come on. See? Okay. Bloxburg, fun house. My house is called fun house. Actually, this daily reward. I'm fine. Tomorrow, I'll open the shop. I'll open the next video. I'll open the cafe and then build the house. Actually, I'm gonna leave the cafe. Hi. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and share and subscribe. Please like and share and subscribe my brother's channel. It is Abdullah Hobby. And see you later.